Okay, let's see if this thing is recording. Hey, how y'all doing? I wanted to make this video. It's gonna be raw, unedited, and I just want to come and talk to you guys about some real talk, and about this channel and the future and a few things that I want to cover. So if you see any like that, if you see any edits, is because maybe I got stuck in the since I said it's gonna be raw, unedited. But I can ramble sometimes, and I guess people from my work can tell you that I can ramble. So might be a minimal cuts or something like that, just in case. But the intent is to be raw and for me to just talk to you. So the first thing I want to say is just thank you for the support and everything that we've been doing in the channel. Channel is growing, and you guys are liking the videos, commenting, and it's been quite a ride. So one of the things that I really want to cover was why did I started this channel, the real truth on why. So I'm gonna tell you a little bit backstory. So I have a passion for mentorship. That's something that to me is very important, and a passion for growth. So my intent behind the channel is just to do that, pay forward what I've learned throughout the years, and to be a mentor to you, to be someone that learn from their mistakes, pay it forward, and can help others learn too. So that's the whole intent of the channel. It's just be a person that can teach you, educate you, mentor you, and pay it forward because a lot of people just know information, but they just kind of hold on to it. But that's just not me. So my intent is that for you guys. So now let's say what's next, right? So it's been a few weeks, a few tough weeks. I had a personal loss in the family, and I'm still dealing with that. So it's been a little bit hard to get stuff out there and on schedule. I really don't have a schedule, but I want to keep it, maybe 1 to 2 videos a month. That was the original intent, because I don't have a lot of bandwidth on my schedule right now. So for those that you don't know, I am an IT manager, and I'm quite busy with my job, a little bit demanding, I guess. So between my work, I'm also about to start my master's degree, studying for CISSP, and a few other things. It's been quite busy, right? It's been quite busy. So I'm gonna continue providing value and making the best videos I can for you guys. So what has changed? So I think the biggest change is me on camera. If you guys seen before, the videos was just like I'm a little avatar. I call it the avatar, just kind of speaking. It is still my voice, but that was just the first iteration of the videos. The reason I did that is because I just didn't have a place to really record, and I'm not too knowledgeable of video recording and all that stuff that goes into it. So I decided to start that way, right? But okay, so hopefully I'm still in frame. Sorry, I had to cut because there were some kids coming my way, so I had to make a little cut. So like I was saying, I started this with my little avatar, but I decided to make a change. And the change is to me be in person. And the reason I decided to do it that way is because I think that you guys deserve that, right? That human connection is a little bit better than just a a simple photo, picture, avatar, whatever. So I found a way. I learned a little bit about recording, and I'm still learning, right? But I did that so I can have that better connection with you guys, that stronger connection with you guys, as you know, as a mentor, and like I mentioned, the intent of this channel. So right now, what's next? So next, we are okay, there was a lot of there. So what's next? I don't know if you guys want to see some videos like this, real talk, maybe some weekly mentorship nuggets, how to be maybe productive or change your mindset. I'm not sure that's something that is gonna resonate with you guys, but I'm open to do something like that. In addition to that, right now, I don't know if you guys saw, there's a Discord community that it's available now for you guys to join. I'm actually gonna leave that in the comments below so you guys can join at any point. Okay, there goes the again. So like I was saying, there's this Discord community. I'm gonna leave the link below, and there's quite a few members that join already, so you can actually join the community. I'm there and answer questions, and I also spend time there to, you know, share information of new things that I've seen that maybe I can see how you guys can take advantage of those things, or you know, some information, tips and things like that I also post in there. So if you guys want to join, just, you know, hit that link at the bottom, and just you can join the community. It's free, so I mean, no brainer, right? So, and formats of the videos, I'm gonna be on camera more often, or at least for the near future. That's the plan. I'm also planning on bringing on SMEs, bringing people that okay, so bringing SMEs and people to, you know, to relate to you guys, pass more information, and see, I don't want to call it like a podcast, but hold on. Okay, I don't want to call it like a podcast or anything like that, but something similar. I don't know, some interviews. But the main thing here is, like, let me know what you guys think. What do you want to see next? What you like more about the videos? What do you like more about my content and what I'm like bringing to you guys? Because like I said, you know, mentorship is my bread and butter, and paying it forward. So what is that you guys want to see next that I can actually provide for you guys? So okay, I think this is gonna be my last cut. So if you want to start in tech and you're not sure where to start, I did a video right here that has the 12th path that you can take to start in tech, and my latest video right here is gonna show you how to land a high-paying cybersecurity jobs, and it'll tell you what you're missing from your resume in order to get started. So thank you again. See you in the next one. JR out.